Hello, welcome to Basics of Artificial Intelligence, Fundamentals and Real-World Applications of AI. I am Jagdeep Kaur, and in this session we will explore what AI is, its types, how it works, its challenges and the impact it has on our world today. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the ability of machines to mimic human intelligence. AI powered systems can learn, reason, and make decisions just like humans. From virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to movie recommendations on Netflix, AI is all around us. AI has been in development for decades. It started with early computers, and in 1956, John McCarthy coined the term artificial intelligence. But even earlier, in the 1930s, Alan Turing conceptualized a machine that could process data and make decisions, laying the foundation of modern computing and AI. Let's talk about the different types of AI, starting with ANI. Artificial Narrow Intelligence, or ANI, is the most common type of AI today. It specializes in specific tasks like chatbots, image recognition, and recommendation systems. ANI is incredibly efficient within its limits, but it cannot perform tasks beyond what it is designed for. Generative or Gen AI creates original content like text, images, music, and even videos by learning from vast data sets. Unlike traditional AI, it doesn't just analyze, it generates new outputs. ASI, or Artificial Superintelligence, is a hypothetical AI that surpasses human intelligence in every aspect. It's a topic of debate. It could lead to a utopia of progress, or it could pose risks if AI becomes too powerful. Reactive AI is the most basic form of artificial intelligence. It has no memory and simply reacts to real-time situations. A good example is IBM's Deep Blue, the chess-playing AI that beat world champion Garry Kasparov by analyzing moves on the spot without learning from past games. Most AI today falls into the category of limited memory AI that uses past data for decision making, like self-driving cars that analyze traffic patterns, or chatbots like ChatGPT that use past interactions to generate relevant responses. Theory of mind AI is the next frontier in artificial intelligence. This AI would understand human emotions, beliefs, and intentions, allowing it to interact with us more naturally. Though we are not there yet, researchers are making progress in emotional AI and human AI interaction. Self-aware AI is the ultimate vision of AI advancement, where machines develop consciousness and self-awareness. This remains purely theoretical and raises ethical and philosophical questions. If AI ever becomes self-aware, it could change everything about how we interact with technology. Rule-based AI follows predefined rules, like if this, then that. Early expert systems in medicine and finance used this approach. While effective for specific tasks, rule-based AI lacks the adaptability of modern machine learning models. Machine learning is a key part of AI. Instead of following fixed rules, ML models learn patterns from data and improve over time. There are three types: supervised learning, which is trained on labeled data; unsupervised learning, that finds patterns on its own; and reinforcement learning, that learns through trial and error. Deep learning is a powerful subset of machine learning that uses neural networks modeled after the human brain. It enables AI to process complex patterns in speech, images, and language. This is what allows voice assistants to understand us, or AI to recognize faces in photos. NLP, or Natural Language Processing, enables AI to understand and generate human language. This is the technology behind chatbots, voice assistants, and translation services like Google Translate. AI extends beyond text and speech. Computer vision allows AI to analyze images and video. Robotics combines AI with physical machines like self-driving cars and industrial robots. Expert systems mimic human expertise in fields like medical diagnosis and legal analysis. Let's now talk about how AI works. AI relies on algorithms to analyze vast amounts of data, recognize patterns, and make decisions. The more data AI is trained on, the better it becomes at predicting and generating responses. However, AI does not truly think. It simply processes data statistically. Like everything else around us, AI comes with its own set of challenges. AI is only as reliable as the data it is trained on. If AI is fed biased or incomplete data, the outputs could be flawed. It also requires huge amounts of data and computational power. Ensuring accuracy and fairness is an ongoing challenge in AI development. Let's look at some real-world examples of how AI can inherit biases from human data. Let's start with Amazon's hiring AI, a gender bias in recruitment. In 2018, Amazon developed an AI-powered recruitment tool to screen job applicants. The AI was trained on past hiring data, which reflected male dominance in the tech industry. As a result, the system penalized resumes that included the word women's, for example, women's chess club captain, and favored male-dominated language. The outcome was that Amazon had to scrap the tool because it reinforced gender bias rather than promoting fair hiring. Another example is that of facial recognition bias and racial discrimination. AI-powered facial recognition systems used by law enforcement and security agencies have been found to misidentify people of color at much higher rates than white individuals. Studies by MIT and Georgetown University showed that dark-skinned women were misidentified up to 35% of the time. White males had an error rate of less than 1%. The impact was that these errors led to wrongful arrests and legal issues, raising concerns about racial discrimination in AI-powered policing. A third example is AI bias in healthcare, showing unequal medical treatment. AI models in healthcare trained on biased patient data have underdiagnosed serious conditions in marginalized groups. For example, an AI system used to predict patient risk scores gave lower risk ratings to black patients, meaning they received less medical attention compared to white patients with similar health conditions. The dataset primarily reflected historical inequalities in healthcare access and treatment. AI is transforming industries with its immense potential. It can generate reports and content in seconds, assist in healthcare diagnostics, drive autonomous vehicles, and enhance retail by answering FAQs and personalizing shopping experiences. As AI advances, its impact across sectors will only grow. Gen AI is making waves. Unlike traditional AI, it doesn't just analyze, it creates. Tools like ChatGPT and DALL-E generate text, images, and more using deep learning and massive data sets. They recognize patterns to produce unique, human-like content effortlessly. Thank you for for going through this video on the basics of AI. AI is revolutionizing the world and its potential is immense. Hope you got some understanding on the basics of AI, its challenges, and its future potential. In case you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments. Have a great day or night.